Welcome to the heart of Norway's most cherished celebration, the Norwegian Constitution Day. Every year on 17th of May, Norwegians from all walks of life come together to commemorate the signing of their constitution, which happened in 1814. What makes this day so special, you may wonder? Let's dive into the traditions, history, and fun facts of the Norwegian National Day. After Napoleonic Wars in 1814, Norway was declared independent and they drafted their first constitution. May 17th, popularly known as 17. May, has been celebrated every year since 1814, and it's a symbol of national pride and unity. One of the most unique and exciting aspects of the Constitution Day is the Children's Parade, popularly known as Barnetoget. Schools from across the country participate, dressed in their traditional costumes called bunads, and they simply go waving the Norwegian flag. It makes the streets of Norway so colorful. It's the most happy and joyful day in Norway. Another amazing and fascinating thing, the bunads, which are the traditional outfits. With each county comes a different design, and if you see them, they have very intricate embroidery, very distinct and beautiful patterns. Absolutely amazing to see. This year, I was so excited to be part of the Barnetoget in my communa where I live, because my niece's class was part of the Barnetoget and the parents can join in. It was so fun to be inside the trail, what we call the children's parade. You know, you just go greeting and saying hi to people, waving the flag, saying Gratulerer med dagen. It is such an exciting thing. And after that, me and my sister went to Oslo, where all the fun happens. Let me tell you, in Oslo, it's a whole different celebration. In case you're wondering where all this parade is headed to, in the different communas, the Barnetoget heads to maybe the local city. Just some speeches happen, some presentations from the children. But in Oslo, the Barnetoget heads to the palace, the royal palace. So here, the king and queen sits outside the palace, and they get to wave to the people. So most people just come here to wave and, you know, just have fun. Here you'll meet a lot of friends, a lot of people from your country who just recognize you. Maybe if you're wearing a costume from your country. Like my sister was wearing a Maasai outfit, and that was telling us Kenyans were just, oh, hi, I'm also from Kenya. It was so fun. At the palace, you'll always find people selling snacks, ice cream, and it's also such a fun thing to do, you know, to just stand there waving and, you know, buy an ice cream. Another common delicacy for this day is the Norwegian hot dogs, which are known as pølse. So Norwegians just basically love buying the hot dogs. They can be wrapped in something called dumpa, which is some sort of soft bread, and it's a tasty traditional meal that is exciting to also indulge in on this special day. Music is the heartbeat of the Constitution Day. I love the marching bands. They fill the air with amazing patriotic tunes, spontaneous dances in the streets. Everyone, young, old, joins in the festivities, and that's what's amazing about it. Like everybody, from the young children to the old, everybody just feels part of the day. If you love culture, definitely plan a trip to Norway around May 17th and get to enjoy this day. If you are a foreigner, if you're just on a visit, you will still feel part of the day. It's one of those days that is just inclusive for everyone. Everyone is happy and enjoying the day. After the Royal Palace, me and my sister went to Akerbrygge, which is along the Oslo fjords. Here, people are just sitting down, relaxing, enjoying some ice cream, and just relaxing after the long walks. In the evening, we went to Eidsvoll, where the actual constitution signing happened, and here there were concerts, singing the national anthem, and different presentations from Norwegian artists. And this for me was the most amazing part of the day. The music was amazing, seeing people just happy, seated and enjoying, having a good time. Absolutely amazing activity, something that I had not done in the previous year. during September, and I think it's something I will want to be doing when I'm in Norway. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed the amazing Norwegian Constitution Day. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications to be notified on each time I upload a new video. Like and share with your friends. Until the next one, kwaheri.
Vi skal synge gamle sanger om igjen. Når du kommer neste sommer, skal vi alltid drikke vin. Vi skal synge sammen om meg. Perfekt.